Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says find incorrect statement with regards to centrosome and centrioles. So the first statement is centrosome is surrounded by amorphous pericentriolar material. B is in centrosome both centrioles lie parallel to each other in which each has an organization like cartwheel. Statement C is centrioles are made of 9 unevenly spaced peripheral fibrils of tubulin. D is hub is the central proteinaceous part of the centriole. E is proteinaceous radial spoke connect hub to peripheral triplets. So we are given few statements regarding the centrosomes and centriole and we are asked कि कितने इसमें से statements incorrect है. So what is our key concept? The key concept is centrosome and centriole. So centrosome और centriole एक टाइप के organelles होते हैं which is present in the cell. And what is their function and how exactly they are made up of, what is their structure, वो हम समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. So centrosome is made up of two centrioles. Centrosome में दो centrioles होते हैं which are placed perpendicular to each other. And this is surrounded by amorphous pericentriolar material. अब हम सेंट्रियोल के स्ट्रक्चर को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. सेंट्रियोल में 9 ट्यूब्यूलिन फाइब्रिल्स होते हैं which are present in the form of circle and they are equally spaced or evenly spaced. So 9 tubulin fibrils होते हैं जो evenly spaced होते हैं. We will see the diagram at the end. अब हर एक tubulin fibril में each fibril is made of 3 units. So they form triplets. And these triplets are connected to each other. Space तो होता है उनके बीच में but they are connected. And these fibrils are connected to center which consists of a proteinaceous substance called as hub. So center में एक region होता है जिसे कहते हैं hub which is made up of protein and the fibrils are connected to hub through radial spoke जो प्रोटीन के बने होते हैं. So fibrils are connected to the hub through radial spoke. So this is how the structure of the centrosome and centriole is. तो एक बार ये diagram को draw करके देखते हैं. So this is the transverse section view of centriole जिसमें the center is called hub and it is surrounded by the triplets of the tubulin fibril, right? And these fibrils are connected to each other through proteins. So they are the bands that connect them which is proteinaceous and the hub is also proteinaceous and these are connected to the center, the hub, through this blue colored proteins. So these are called as radial spoke. So this is the structure of each centriole. Now let us see the statements given in the question. Question में क्या statements दिए हैं? Centrosome is surrounded by the amorphous पेरिसेंट्रियोलर मटेरियल, सो दैट इज राइट, उसमें पेरिसेंट्रियोलर मटेरियल होता है। इन सेंट्रोसोम बोथ सेंट्रियोल्स लाई पैरेलल, पैरेलल नहीं होते हैं, परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं, राइट, दे आर परपेंडिकुलर। एंड ऑल्सो दे हैव लाइक they lie parallel to each other, in which each has an organization like cartwheel. Cartwheel part is right, but the parallel part is wrong. Statement C क्या है? Centrioles are made up of 9 unevenly spaced. 9 तो होते हैं tubulin fibrils, but they are evenly spaced. So this is incorrect. Hub is the central proteinaceous part of the centriole, which is right, and proteinaceous radial spoke connects the hub to the peripheral triplets, which is right. वो radial spoke जो होते हैं वो प्रोटीन्स के होते हैं जो हब को ट्रिपलेट्स के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं। तो कौन से स्टेटमेंट्स इनकरेक्ट है? स्टेटमेंट बी एंड सी। सो द फाइनल आंसर इज ऑप्शन 3, which is statement B and C. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck. Thank you.